Hello YouTube. Today is Friday, February 18th, 2011, and this is my current everyday carry. Start off over here. Here we have the belt. It is the Black Hawk Riggers model. It has a Kydex stiffener in it. Makes it much more able to bear a load without sagging or flexing. These I just recently got. Until recently, I had never found glacier glasses that cost less than something around $100, but Rothco apparently makes a cheap model. These were, I think, $15. Maybe not the highest quality, but they suited me just fine. And they do an excellent job of keeping the winter glare out. We have a 10-foot braided paracord. It is in a continuous slip knot, meaning you undo the holding knot at the ends, yank the two ends, and you have a 10-foot length of paracord. Ears, rather hearing protection, very important to have if you're going to be around industrial environments, if you're going to go shooting. A couple pairs of sterile gloves. Scratch that. I packed them, and I didn't really do anything special, so non-sterile, but enough to protect me from substances if I put them on. Regular Bic lighter. Zac tool number 14 handcuff key. Standard Smith & Wesson handcuff key. Wallet containing concealed pistol license, EMT student license. I'm currently going through the course. What else we got? Wilderness First Responder license, blood donation card showing blood type, that kind of thing. Cash, credit card. Here we have one of the newer toys that I like a lot. This is the Leatherman Charge TTI, the titanium model. That's just this outside plating is titanium, the rest is steel. It has pretty much any tool I need. Serrated blade with the hook cutter. Let's see if I can get it out for you. Saw. The S30V steel blade. And I believe it is a diamond filament file on one end and a coarse file on the other with a metal cutter on there. Of course, the pliers, crimper, cutter, and on the inside you have the bit attachment. That's the black bit you can see right there. Right next to it is a can opener and a wire stripper. On the other side, the middle thin black bit is the micro bit. It's like a eyeglasses screwdriver. Scissors and the pry bar, or thick flathead screwdriver. This is the leather case I keep it in. Came with it. It has these nice little, see these tabs? They pull out two open pockets on the inside, held together by elastic, and in those I store these little things. This is 65-pound test spectral wire. It's heavy load fishing wire. I use it for tying things closed. It's extremely durable. It's a couple of bobby pins for very small work, and a safety pin, same thing for small work. And there's the bit kit, which I've modified just a little bit. I found that my smaller lockpicks will fit right inside of it. It's just one rake pick and a tension wrench right there. I'm always looking for ways to fit more useful tools in the same space. Cobalt extensible tools, neodymium magnet, and inspection mirror. 26-inch expandable baton, telescopic. Here are my keys. This is another thing. I got some of the new S-Beaners that are out. This is a 33 kilogram or 75 pound test. Bolts, keys. Something I do is I keep my car keys with the ignition separate from the door key. That way I can't necessarily lock myself out. So whenever I go to start my car, this goes on and this stays on my belt. There's the SOG Trident TF1. Assisted open. Half serrated, half plain. It has the cutting groove right there, so you can cut cord when it's closed. Here are my firearms. Primary is the XD45 Springfield Arms, or Springfield Armory. The 4-inch barrel. Unfortunately, it's not the XDM. That came out just not too long after I got this. I might upgrade to that, but it's expensive. And the mag I keep in it, 10 rounds. My backup mag, 13 round, plus 1. And that is, I'm not sure if you can read that. There we go. Hornady 45 Auto plus P, 230 grain XTV. There's my backup gun. I like this little thing. It's a North American Arms 22 mag revolver, single action only. It comes with a little pocket clip there. It fits in a 5 pocket, and let's take it out. Weapon is empty. And in that, CCI Maximag HP plus V's. It's the Black Hawk mag holster, Uncle Mac's pancake holster. It's my beater flashlight using AAA, so it's cheap to use. It's a LED lenser, red lights and white light, and the holder for it. There's my good flashlight, or tactical flashlight, the Cork 123 squared. Max output of 190 lumens. It is excellent flashlight. Very bright. I love that thing. It served me well. Standard cell phone, same one I've always had. It's the only cell phone I had. No features at all. It just makes calls. My watch. Nothing really special about it. It was a gift. But it's durable. It'll stay with me. It's a Casio, not a G-Shock. Okay, electronics. iPod Classic, 6th generation, I believe. That one is the one I use for music and audiobooks, which is the only way I get to read anymore because I just don't have time. And here we have one of my new toys. That is the iPod Touch 4th generation 64 gig with the sure to see that, the OtterBox shell. This has become a very useful tool for me. It has utilities, you probably can't see that, but I have my medical encyclopedias in there. I have offline Wikipedia, which was a bit of a project to get working, but now that I have it, it's extremely useful. This is a little badge holder for my EMT Basic student card. That lets me go in the hospital and assist, learn. Moleskin. Always good to have notebook. Zebra pen and pencil. And HP 16 gig flash drive containing my tools for computer work, various stuff like that. Alright. That is it, YouTube. Thanks for watching.